Hi, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now in this video, I'm going to cover a mistake that I see some new and veteran riders make when coming to a stop. And I'm going to give you what negative effects it could cause. So hang tight. The mistake I see riders make when coming to a stop is they start braking way too late. Now I'm going to have two friends help me with this demo. For the demo, I will have two cones where I want them to stop with their front tire in between the cones, which simulates a stop sign. Now I'm going to place a cone where they started their braking. All I told them was to ride and stop like they normally would. The first rider, Jesse, started braking 32.5 feet from the cones. Now the second rider, Jake, started his braking 40 feet from the cones. Now I'm going to do the same demo and have Jesse place the cone where I started my braking. Now as you're watching, I want you to notice how much sooner I started my braking. I started my braking about 65.5 feet from the cones. By starting your braking sooner will allow for smoother, more controlled stops, which equals more control and less drops. And it gives the drivers behind you more time to react to your braking. When riders start braking too late, it can cause two things to happen. The first thing is it causes riders to be harder on the front brakes at the end of the stop, which can cause for more aggressive, unsteady stops. The second thing is it raises the chances of being rear-ended because it doesn't give the driver behind you enough notice that you're stopping. The goal is you want the end of your stop to be as consistent as possible. Now, depending on my speed, I may start my braking at different distances, so it won't always be 65.5 feet. But I always try to start my braking sooner rather than later. Now, I recommend you watching this video I did where I give you a simple exercise that will help you have smoother stops. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.